start the car. Great. Have you seen this car? It has been parked in the parking lot for more than half a month. When the owner wanted to use the car, he found that it would not start. Today, let's see what happened. This is the tool I brought. Let's get in the car and try to start the engine. Let's start the engine. Sure enough, it won't start. Let's go to the front and have a look. Actually, a mechanic had come to fix it before. Washed the oil line, cleaned the carbon deposits, replaced the battery, and replaced the oil pump. Spent $1,000, but the problem was not solved. Then he told the owner that he would tow the car to the repair shop to repair the engine. The price was $4,000. The owner was unhappy. He found me in the comments section and asked me if this kind of difficult problem could be fixed. I said, don't worry. I like to fix difficult problems. The owner asked, what if you can't fix it? I said, if I can't fix it, I will buy the car for any price. Today, let's see if it can be fixed. The car won't start. Generally, there are 3 reasons: oil circuit, electrical circuit, and gas circuit. The owner has already cleaned the oil circuit. Let's look at the electrical circuit. See if the spark plug can ignite. First, take it out. Unplug the plug. Unscrew the screw. Pull out the ignition coil. Next, let the owner start the fire inside to see if it's the problem. Okay, start the fire. See, there's fire. I roughly know where the problem is. There is a part. It's easy to be overlooked in the repair shop. Let's verify it today. Fill it with paper towels and plug it. Go to the spark plug guide tube. Normally, because of the cylinder pressure, when we ignite, this paper towel will pop and bounce very high. Let's verify it. Okay, start. Did you see it? The cause of the problem has been found. This paper towel just bounced here and can't go up. The pressure is obviously insufficient. The cause has been found. Isn't it easy to solve it? Let's find a bottle of engine oil. Unscrew the cap and pour the engine oil into the cap. Pour it into the spark plug guide. And the other 3 as well. After the engine oil is poured, let's try it again. Let's plug these 4 holes first. Next, let's try to ignite the car. Ignition. Okay, this is normal. Next, let's install the spark plugs back. Actually, the car didn't ignite just now because the cylinder pressure was insufficient. Then why did we add some oil to it and there was cylinder pressure? The principle is very simple. It's just like a water well. Originally, no water could be pressed out. You add some water to make the leather ring seal better and then you can press out water. Okay, now the spark plugs have been installed. Next, let's get in the car and try to ignite it. See if it can ignite. I share car knowledge every day. It's really not easy. Your like is my biggest motivation. If you follow me, then if you have any car problems in the future, you can come to me. I will solve them for you for free. Okay, let's not talk too much. Let's continue. We step on the brake and ignite. Look, the problem is solved and the car is repaired. I'm May. Follow me. There is more car knowledge on my homepage.